Idaho by Ashvi. In Sun Valley, there are mountain bikers, river rafters, fishers, hikers, and snowboarders. There are areas of fossil. In Vernon Dunes, park offers desert parades and sand. Bison is the capital of Idaho and is named after a tree. Boyson is surrounded by the Boyson River. In Idaho, you can see Boyson National Forest. In the forest, you could go camping. Another thing you can see is Shohan Waterfall. This waterfall is on Snake River. Herman Killebrew made him famous by playing baseball and hitting home runs. Herman Killebrew was the all-star player. He played for the Senators Twins Kansas City Royals. The siren flower is 10 feet and 3 meters tall. It looks like a white flower. It is the world's western pine tree. The pine tree is 80 feet tall. The gray wolf weighs up to 100 pounds and hunts at night. Bears weigh 60 pounds. Beavers are the strong swimmers. In Idaho, the biggest city was Bosnia, Protecto, and Nampi. Idaho was the 13th biggest state in the U.S. 63% of the Idaho is the public land.